Good morning. December 2002, Ford Australia produced a BA Falcon station wagon, also known as a long roof. This one lives out of town and it's got some bang crash thump issues that have happened. Well, under the vehicle you can see it needs some rubbers. Back one's not much good either. Very streamlined idea for the front. And an extremely free flow muffler. Hello up there. It's had a few thumps and bangs underneath, as you can see, and unfortunately the catalytic converter is rattling on the inside. It's breaking. So I am going to be putting on a direct replacement catalytic converter, which I just happen to have another one hung up over there. I'm going to be making this center assembly using the long-bodied free flow for better fuel economy, and I'll put a plate on here and mount it all up the way it's got to be and change the rubber mounts. So you keep an eye out and you'll see what it looks like and sounds like when I'm finished. No way am I going to start this up now. I value the speakers in my telephone. So there we have the remnants of the old muffler, of course, and I've replaced all three of the rubber mounts. And the catalytic converter I have over here to show you. That's the assembly there, and I have my little camera inside. So we push it in. I'll give you a bit of zoom on that. Just push it down to where it needs to be. I need more fingers. Okay. That's the inlet of it there, or part of it, and I can see that that has moved backwards. Now I'm just going to change the angle on the front of the camera because it's not that flexible, so we're just going to go that angle and put him back in the hole. You look up the top corner there, maybe you'll see it. There's a whole heap of blockage. I'll pull back a bit, come out. Over on the right, that wire is not in its correct position and that whole block's moving. It might give you a better idea of all the blockages in it. And big scallop piece out, just there. 2 scallop pieces. That's effectively where it's already destroyed itself. We have a new catalytic converter assembly and one new stud up there. Because the stud came out, seized to the lock nut. The other one was okay and was quite reusable. This model, being the BA, does not need that secondary port to be used, but it's the higher grade actual cat in the middle. This is where I've made it. From here back into a long twin wrap mild steel muffler, which is the straight through style, best flow. Made up stainless steel bracketing, new rubber mount there and there, and up in there, and you can tell it's a brand new cat being fired for the first time from all the steam. Still bolting up to the original BA wagon type flange, because I have the flange plates here for them and for here. So there you go. Very shaky video, sorry. I've been inundated. Again, 3 more people at least, I've lost count, since I started this one. I will get around to having morning tea and maybe a couple of litres of water, which is something I haven't been doing a lot of lately. Alright, please feel free to comment, like and share. If you're watching it and you keep watching them, please consider following the page. I'd appreciate that. Please leave me a comment. I read every comment. Cheers.